This channel is 3 months old, 85 videos, 2.64 million subscribers, and one single short has 207 million views. One simple Roblox-style animation, more views than most Hollywood trailers. And it's not a fluke, because here's a second channel doing the same style with 1.75 million subscribers. But this is the part that shocked me. A third channel with barely 106,000 subs is just remaking the big channel's ideas, and even the copies are pulling millions of views. That tells you everything. This niche is so hungry that YouTube is force-feeding these videos to millions of people, and there aren't enough creators making them. That gap is your opportunity, but it won't stay open for long. No face, no voice, no animation skills, not $1 spent. I'll prove it live on screen. I'm giving you the complete workflow from zero: idea, characters, animation, sound, upload. And at the very end, I'm revealing why these videos go viral. The psychology trick hidden inside every one of those 207 million view shorts that makes people watch on repeat. Once you see it, you'll build it into every video you make. Nobody in this niche is talking about it. Stay till the end. Let's start. Alright, step 1. To make these videos, you need one thing first: my master prompt, and I'm giving it to you for free. Just type Roblox prompt in the comments, and I'll send you the link. It opens a Google Doc with one single prompt inside, and this prompt is trained on the exact style of the channels you just saw. You can make any type of Roblox video with it. Now watch closely. You copy the prompt, then open Claude. Paste the prompt, hit generate, and here's where it gets good. Claude starts interviewing you. First it asks, which Roblox character do you want as your star? It gives you options, or you can describe your own. I picked one. Then it asks, how many scenes, long video or short? I type 6 to 8 scenes, hit generate, and boom. Within seconds, Claude spits out 10 viral topic ideas ranked and ready. You pick the idea you like best, copy it, and paste it right back into Claude. Hit generate, and this is where the magic starts. Claude writes out your first image prompt with your character fully locked. Same face, same outfit, same style, locked across every single scene, so your video actually looks like one story instead of a random mess. That's the mistake that kills most beginners' videos, and Claude just solved it for you automatically. For now, copy that first image prompt. I'll show you how to generate the prompts for the rest of the scenes in a minute, because there's a trick to it. Now, where do we actually turn these prompts into images and videos? This is the tool that makes this whole method 100% free, Higgsfield. Link in the description. Right now, all new users get 24 hours of completely free, unlimited access to all the top models on the Higgsfield website, and that includes Seedance 2.0 for video, which we'll use later. Unlimited generations, one full day, without paying anything. Sign up through the link, log in, and click Create Image in the top corner. Now click the Model button. Look at this, model after model, and see that unlimited tag on them. That's not a demo, that's real unlimited access. I chose GPT image, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for shorts, enabled the unlimited option, and hit generate. First image, ready, but wait, see this text appearing on the image? We don't want that. Here's the fix. Paste the same prompt again, scroll to the end where it says the image should have a caption, delete that line completely, leave everything else, and regenerate. Clean image, no text. Perfect. Now for the rest of your scenes, and pay attention, because this is where character consistency lives or dies. Go back to Claude and simply type next in the prompt box. Boom, your second image prompt is ready. But here's the part most people get wrong. Copy everything except the caption line at the end. Then head back to Higgsfield, and before you paste, upload the previous image you just generated as a reference right there in the prompt box. That reference is the secret. It forces the model to keep your character's exact face, outfit, and style in every new scene. Skip it, and your character morphs into a stranger halfway through the video, and viewers click away instantly. So the rhythm is dead simple. Paste the prompt, upload the reference image, generate, wait for it, done, back to Claude, type next image prompt, get the new one, repeat, prompt, reference, generate, prompt, reference, generate. And because Higgsfield is unlimited right now, you can crank through all your scenes without watching a credit counter drain to zero. That freedom alone is worth everything. And when you reach the final scene, Claude does something clever. It tells you, this is your last image prompt. Want me to write your video prompts now? It knows exactly where you are in the process. That's coming up next. So I quickly generate all my images, step by step, and look at this. Every scene, same character, perfectly consistent. Now download them one by one to your device, because in the next step, these still images come alive, and this is where Seedance 2.0 blows everything else away. Time to bring these images to life. Go back to Claude and just type one word, video, and hit generate. Claude instantly writes a matching video prompt for every single image you made, one prompt per scene, describing exactly how your character should move. Copy the first video prompt and head to Higgsfield. Click the video option at the top, and the main interface opens. Now choose your model, and look at this list. Multiple unlimited video models. Gemini Omni is here too, but I'm picking Seedance 2.0, the best AI video model in the world right now. And yes, it's fully included in your free unlimited day. Upload your first image, paste the video prompt, and now, listen carefully, because this is where beginners ruin their videos. You must set the duration the prompt mentions, and you must select the correct video ratio. Get those two wrong, and your video generates broken. Set them right, hit generate, and wow, look at that motion. The physics, the smoothness. This is why Seedance is on another level. Now repeat the loop, copy the next video prompt from Claude, upload the matching image, paste, set duration and ratio, generate. Scene by scene, your entire video comes alive. And with unlimited access, you can regenerate any clip until it's perfect, completely free. All my clips are ready. All clips generated, download them one by one, because now we turn these pieces into one complete video. I've downloaded all mine. For editing, we're using CapCut, completely free. Open it, hit import, and bring in all your clips. Drag the first clip to the timeline, then line up the rest in order. And here's the beautiful part. Seedance 2.0 generated our clips with native audio. The voiceover and sound are already baked in. No hunting for background music, no syncing sound effects, no recording anything. The video is basically assembling itself. But now, the moment I promised you at the start, the secret adjustment that decides whether your video hits millions of views or dies unseen, here it is. Check the ending of every single clip. Click each one, play the last second, and watch it like a hawk. If the final frames glitch, freeze, or cut off your character mid-motion, that tiny flaw breaks the viewer's brain, they swipe away, your retention collapses, and YouTube buries the video. The big channels are obsessive about this. So if any clip's ending is off, go back to Higgsfield and regenerate it. Remember, it's unlimited. It costs you nothing. Swap the clean clip into your timeline. That is the difference between amateur and viral. Seamless flow from first second to last, so the viewer never gets a reason to leave. Once every transition is smooth, hit export. Your video is ready. And now the moment of truth. Let's watch the final result together, because when you see what we just made for $0, you won't believe it.
Mom loves cookies.
Time for my cookie break. Spider!
It's fake, Mom. Gotcha. Ta-da!
Oh, it's on now. We're even now.